Hi, Eileen Veilleux The Fam here. Welcome to another installment on our easy DIYs to relieve stress and anxiety. And in today's installment, we're going to go over 7 uses for orange essential oil. Before I show you the different ways you can use the orange essential oil, let me tell you a little bit about it. Orange essential oil is derived from the peels of sweet oranges. Although the oil itself isn't sweet, it does have a number of amazing uses to improve your health because it is an antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, it improves blood circulation, and more. So the first way that you can use it is as a mood booster. One of the properties of orange essential oils is that it works as an antidepressant, helping you feel uplifted even on a bad day. You can use 5 to 6 drops of oil in a low heat diffuser, which is this here. Okay? And that's the first way we're going to do, and then I'm going to show you the other ways you still can do it. Now with the oil, with this, you just take the cover off, which is what I just did. You take this off, and you can see here it has a ridge on both of these parts, so it's easy to put together. You take some of your water, you have a fill line. You add the water to the fill line, just like that. And then you add a few drops of the orange in there. I'm going to take that little cover thing off, and I'm going to just add a few drops. Okay? And then you place this back on there. You place the cover back on. So the plastic thing is in the middle. And then you plug it in, like so. Okay, she's plugged in. You hit the power button right here. And you can see the steam coming out. And that will give you that will help lift your mood just by smelling it. Or if you want to do it the faster way, you can just take the orange and put just a couple drops on your hand. Doesn't take much, just like 2 small drops. Okay, rub it in your hands like this. And just breathe in. See? That's also the way that it will help with your mood. Okay? And the reason for that is it acts as a mood booster, but remember, if you put it on your hands, and like if it's in the summertime, make sure you wash your hands before you go out, because orange oil can make you more sensitive to the sun. So if you're going outside and you want it, you put it on your hands before you go out, remember to always wash your hands before you go out. Now, the other way that you can use it is as a facial cleanser. Now, orange oil will help to dry out oily skin, which can help you reduce acne. Plus, it has antiseptic properties that will kill acne-inducing bacteria. To overall reduce the oil on your skin, you just add 2 to 3 drops to a cup of water and use that to wash your face in the evenings. So again, you have your water, okay? And you take this and you add 1, 2, 3. That's all you need in there is 3 drops max, okay? And then you wash your face before you go to bed. You can also use it as a spot treatment directly on your acne by placing just 1 drop of the oil on a cotton swab and rubbing it on your acne spots. Now, orange essential oil is also good for allergy relief. For those who suffer allergies, we all know allergy medications can be expensive. Well, why not help it out with some orange essential oil, which is not very expensive? Allergies are caused when small particles of allergens such as mold spores, dust, or pollen are inhaled and irritate the lining of a nasal passage, causing your body to react in the area to become inflamed. Orange essential oil can relieve the swelling that comes from allergies because it works as an anti-inflammatory and will help improve blood flow to the area. There are a few ways you can relieve allergies by using orange essential oils. One way you can do it is you can carry a vial. It doesn't have to be very big. It could be a small one just like this, okay? And just breathe in when you need. Or you can put a few drops of the vial onto a cotton swab, carry that, and breathe in when you need it. Orange essential oil is also excellent for dental hygiene. Because the oils are great for killing bacteria, they can be used in your mouth to combat problems such as gingivitis, mouth ulcers, and bad breath. To improve your dental hygiene with orange oil, just add a half a teaspoon of salt and 5 drops of orange oil to a cup of warm water. Then switch the mixture around in your mouth for at least 1 minute and gargle for at least 30 seconds before spitting it out. There are so many different ways that you can use these essential oils, and that's what I love about it. So those are 7 different ways that you can use the orange essential oils. I hope you liked it and it helped you out. Remember to always subscribe and like if you haven't already, and have a blessed day, everybody. Bye.